Nita here with WeCookiers.com. Welcome. Today I'm bringing to you a large set of just a cookie compilation that I've done through the years. By no means is this all of them, but the purpose of this is just to give you just all kinds of inspiration to get your creative juices flowing. So I hope that helps. And before we start that, I want to highlight just a few products that I have in Shop Gotta Haves. One of them is, it's a little pen cutter, like a ballpoint pen. It's a set of 5. So it comes in a package like this, and you have 4 blades, 4 extra blades. And I find them really handy when I'm doing stencils for Cricut, and you can cut cardboard with them too, but they have like little rubber pieces on them to guard so you don't get cut. But it's just like a ballpoint pen, and they're just really nice and handy to have. I don't think you can probably see the little sharp point, but they're very, very sharp. But I offer those, so go over and take a look. And I kind of pride myself with the prices I offer in Shop Gotta Haves. Another thing is just the traditional stencil holders, and that's what they look like. They come like that. It's the same. They're all the same size. Hold the same standard size stencils. So you just put them in there with the nice strong magnets. You see those in my videos all the time when I'm using stencils. So that's what you get. That's a good price over there, so be sure and grab yours. And then the third thing are the dinosaur cookies with the skeleton stamps embosser. So these are very, quite large cookies. They really turn out wonderfully. So you have the stamp. So you cut the cookie out, and then you can, not upside down, but you stamp them. See the little bones in it? So that can come in handy. It's good for fondant cookies too, that you can just stamp the fondant and then go over the fondant bones with luster dust of some kind if you want. But that's a 3-pack. That's the other 2. But nice large size, very good quality. So, you know how dinosaurs are always are always popular. They're never going to go out of not being popular. So go ahead and take a trip over to Shop Gotta Haves. I'll leave the link in the show notes below. And on the back side of this, I will offer some video compilations of cookies. It's a playlist, and I'll link that to you. So if you're not a WeCookier yet, come over and join us as a special free member. We always love free members, special members. So we will talk to you later. You have a good day, and God bless you. Bye-bye.